Okay, Josh Weiger here with Year 9 Maths. We're looking at expanding expressions. So, we're going to talk about the distributive law and what we can do with it. So, with the distributive law, what we can do is when we're multiplying through an equation, we multiply a times b and a times c, we get ab plus ac. It's the same when we do our ones with negatives ab, again, and AC, but it's a negative on the inside because we've got a negative in between the two. When we got our minus A's, take minus all the way through, multiplying through again, and when it's minus and minus, we make a plus in the middle here. Nothing too surprising there, all should be a bit of revision. So let's have a look at the next one. If we're going to have to expand something, my working out for this one would be 3 times x plus, whoops, sorry, not plus, it's a minus. Minus 3 times 4. So 3 times x is 3x, minus 3 times 4, 12. Similar one, got a 5 on the outside, so it's going to be 5 times x minus 5 times 11. 5 times x is 5x minus 55. This one we've got a negative out the front, so we're going to multiply by minus 2 times x. Got minus 2 times minus 5. Minus 2 times x gives me minus 2x. Minus 2 times 5, 2 negatives make a positive, 10. Once again, showing the working out makes life much easier. This one, we got 4 times x plus 4 times 3, 3y. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3y, 4 3's are 12, and just our y all by itself. So once again, inside, outside. This one we got x on the outside, x on the inside. Still the same process, minus 2x times 4x minus 2x times minus 3. So we end up with 2 times 4 is 8, so we're going to have minus 8x minus 2 times 3, that's a very dodgy 3, that's a very dodgy 2. 2 times 3 is 6. We've got 2 negatives, so 2 negatives make it a positive, positive 6x. Now we had x times x, so that makes it x squared. In this next one, we've got to expand and then simplify. So when we're expanding, we ignore the first part, we just write it down because it's not included in our expansion. We've got minus 3 times x, and we've got minus 3 times minus 4. So we got the 2, still the same, minus 3x, 2 negatives make a positive, plus 12. Now we've got 2 and 12, they're both like terms, so we can add those, so we can end up with 14 minus 3x. Doesn't matter if you had the minus 3x in front, make no difference whatsoever. Getting a little bit harder, we're looking now at an expansion on one side. So we've got 3 times x, which is 3x, 3 times 2y, which is 6y, and we've got not enough room left. Let's just write that there, so 3x plus 6y minus 3x minus y. the reason the minus is multiplied through. So we put the minus all the way through the brackets, and that sorts that out. And all we've got to do now is collect up our like terms. So using the Viger principle, 3x and 3x. 3x take away 3x gives us no x's, and 6y's take away 1 leaves us with 5y's. And that's our answer. And that's it for our expressions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the enrichment material up on the channel as normal.